Hey, so how are you people? I just want to test at first, same as always. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Everything's fine with the stream. We are back to our second session of Fiverr's apps. I have been here in the morning with the Kisha running the today global hit week day 3, and we were talking about what are we going to do today. Um, I I see here says Shimmery, so salutations. um, and in this session, we are going to continue with the project we were working on. We are going to finish it. We are going to connect it with the authentication service. We are going to connected with the database of Firebase. We are going to deploy it at the end. So let's get our hands on it. Because the last time I didn't have enough chance. Um, yeah, I didn't have the time to complete it. So we are going to finish it now. I see here Green Joshix. Hello. So if anything happens if I'm going quickly and you are wondering like, hey, how you do that, or where do you hit, I don't know, how you reach that part in the firmware console, etc. Please always let me know here on the comments so I can explain it in more detail, right? So let me start with sharing my screen. Okay, let's allow this. And now you should see it. Let's open and the project was called, huh, how we call this? Oh yeah, live. Um, okay. Oh, what happened? Oh, it's here. Okay. This is the code. These were not working, and the problem here it's uh for trying to do it fast, we were doing it wrong, right? So let's start with the first thing, that is, before before verifying if a user is logging, we need to create it, right? We need to sign it. Shimeri pointed that previous session, so that's completely right. Let's do a section where we can create it, and for that, let me run this local server. That is in here. Huh. Go live and open it here. Oh, okay. I don't want to see you. Let's see, let's see. Hmm. Is there a recording of the previous sessions? Yeah, I see you're on Twitch, so you can go to the live streams, the videos before. And since mine was on Monday, so I think you won't have trouble to find it in recent recordings. And the name is Firebase Apps Part One. So if still you can find it, just send a message in Discord, and I'll try to clip the link there. WH project or something like that. Okay. Yes, on YouTube under the section Emily channel. Yeah, on YouTube too. Oh, and Shima Richard here link, so you can copy and paste it. So we were saying we need to add this logging a tab to be assigned in. So let's take advantage again of what we were talking about with here. Oh, I see a lot of changes, but the thing is we don't have a key in it. Uh, First thing first, we need to create a new file dot git ignore. Create git ignore file for our project. And this should be quick already. Already. So we add it here. We see we have the VS Code settings, the IDEA settings that we don't have it yet, but we have the modules that it's important. The .log, the Firebase config one, the database config, .amp, because it's the good thing to have, dist, and the build carpet folders, so we can ignore these problems. And now the changes are reduced to 6 files. Amazing. Sorry, didn't realize that. So let's return to the index, and here now we need to add a tab for a user that doesn't have an account to sign up. Okay, this is this part of the form, and this is the other part. So we are copying this specific section here. Oh, I think I didn't copy it right. And here we have it. But we need to change logic, right? Since this is now setting up username. Let's change this already to email and password. sign up. And this is login. Username instead of this username. Let's call this email to. Hello, MLH community members and audience attendants. How are you? What is the session plan for the part three of building mobile apps with Google Cloud Tools? Oh no, this is the second part of the Firebase apps. The part three of Google, uh, a mobile app with Google Cloud Tools is it was the previous one from Kerry. Um, so I'm sorry, I think you're a little bit late. Okay, let's continue. And we need to change the logic, right? So in our JSON, no, JavaScript file, just let me check that. Yeah, here. The button. Why now we have an extra button? Let me see how it changes. Login, cancel, login button, login, sign in. Maybe I need to hide this. Buttons, the sign up button of login, button on sign up page. Oh, I get it, why we have this now. I think this is the one. No, account sign up, right? Already have an account. Log in. Okay, Tintin. Hello, MLH community members and attendees. How are you? What's the session plan for the part two of the Firebase apps session? Well, at the moment we are trying to complete our project to allow signing up. Then we can connect to the authentication service for Firebase. When we have that covered, we are going to pass to doing kind of comments, yeah, like a comment section, a discussion thing here on the landing page. And once that is ready, we can deploy our project, and if we still have time, we can explore more of the adults we talk previous session fibers have, right? So let's let's do that. Yeah, now we can continue to our JS file. For the moment, we are going to ignore this. This is right. This also is right. We are going to uncomment this. We are going to delete this, delete this, yeah, and yeah, delete this, and here. We can comment this, log in with local storage. Well, here at this point, we can add this. We need to obtain the data from the DOM, the button sign up, the button login, the button sign up, because we are going to use them, right? Then we add the event for the sign in. When the button is pressed, we add the event for the change of between login and sign in, and we add the event for the button between the login and the sign in. What else? Okay, now we get the login form and the logout button. Okay, that's perfect. Hmm. I just see that the other part of the code does this directly. So eh, that's interesting. We can delete all of this. We can delete this. And let's see what our output is. Hmm. I don't see a way. Let's explore the code again. Prevent default. If this is submitted, we send the email, the password, and we say Google out. Oh, but we need to. No, no, no. This is bad. We don't need to do this yet. A promise, create user only if the button sign up is pressed. Yeah. hmm But this promise, and we alert with the message. Okay, this far we are doing good. We delete this button of the login. If someone clicks login, the button of the login, what is? Uh, it's login button. Let's look for this. Okay. Okay. Switch login signed in. That's the name it this will have, right? Style. This style will be assigned to here. eventually. And we have no more login button. Now the name is switch login sign in, right? And every time this is clicked, sorry, this one, every time this is clicked, we are going to change the visibility, document get element by ID, login page style display to none, and the other one to block. No, I think the style was set to flex. Oh no, no, okay. Let's say block. It doesn't matter. Document the get element by ID, the signed page, just that style, the display is equal to none. This is a question. Then the document get element by ID, saying the page display it's tied to block. If this is true, else document get element by ID. This we black to none. Document get element by ID is equal to none. Then document okay, and we can delete this. And this is the switch between logging and sign up events. Um, did you save the first username in the session? Didn't you save? Yes, I saved it, but then that will only allow me to sign up with one currently, and we want to be able to do it like in a more professional way. You can register and you can log in with the account you just register. Why not use two CSS classes with display, block, and display none, then toggle just a class? Uh, that could be another way. Okay, that's completely fair. Um, it's true. Like I can do that. Yeah, Fashik, that's a great idea. Well, I already got this. Sorry, I just see your message. But I think that I am not understanding. It's what does this? Okay, we even didn't have this one here. So re- remove it, remove it, and let's check what we got this far. Oh yeah, the problem is we are calling this block, and the display should be. Oh no, yeah, it was supposed to be block, I think. Let's open our console. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why this is so? Okay, let me display maybe something. Flex, flex, direction, column with 100%. Then do we have a grabber? I will say max with. What's good? Okay, I think this is good. Margin 0. How to right? Oh, margin 2. Okay, I'm going to copy. Maybe even with yeah. Yeah, just the two of us here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is for the form, right? Sign up page. What's happening? Okay, I'll check that. Form. Okay, we have it. Let me see if I can change this style. Hmm. This is a button. I think it's the only button. Oh no, we have another button. The button for lookout button. Okay. Hmm. So we're going to use the same strategy here at the hover. I see. Oh, I see a lot of comments. Hello, can we optimize the Firebase database? What do you mean with optimize? Yeah, sorry, what do you mean with optimize? Do you have the put the login instead in the flag box in the HTML? Put the login instead. You mean this one? The Flexbox. Oh yeah, if this disappears, put it above form. You mean here? No account. Sign in. Something like this. It's outside the form, so it will be outside the Flexbox in the CSS. Can we manage the Firebase database dimension size? Yeah, we were discussing on the previous session that because we're using a free plan, we have s- storage limits and request transaction limits. Like you can only write a certain amount of documents and certain amount of lesions. But yeah, you can totally manage the Firebase database dimension size. It is not SQL, so it is really similar to Mongo. If you have tried Mongo, uh, it's like similar document base. So let's see. Okay, let me change to console. And let me see if I go here. And I will say console.log, and I will log this. And I will just put a string with here. Let's see what's happening. Also, you have a sign up page div too, where you can also move this. Okay, I see the event. It is not being registered. So first, I will put attention to Mary's Mary's observations. You mean like also you have a sign up page deep, sign up page deep, this one, to where you could also move it. Uh, um, I'm guessing you mean outside these dips. I think you mean that. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if you mean that, so I won't do that. But let me see. Documents. Okay, let's document this here, and the problem is the switch login sign. It's not doing the event listener. Sign in here. It's not working. Sign up page. It's not getting these tiles. This is sign up page with margins Maybe with that we also can uncomment this because yes, if we hover, this is for the switch login timing, and this is also for the switch login timing hover. Let's try to keep it that way. Let's see. Okay, no, no action recognized. Oh, you already reply. Um, yes, that one. Hello, can we manage the Firebase database dimension size? Yeah, yeah, but we haven't get there. We will in just a minute. And also, yes, that one. And also, you have a sign off page div too, where you can also move it. Sign off page div. No, inside the form or create another CSS class to keep it styling and the same. Okay, yeah, I get you. You just mean this. Yeah, why not? No problem. Here, like this, right? I just need to add here a space. For this bit, I am adding margin button. Uh, I now 16 pixels. Yeah, but the big problem is we are not getting the document uh, element here. So let me just confirm a thing. That is, if I console log here, what the output should look like. Like this sign in button works. Oh my god, every time I call this reloads. So uh, wow, what am I doing with this input? Sign up for an email listener. If every time I submit, I just want it to console log this one. Okay, let me check if in this way this works. Oh no, I have conflicts. Yeah, told. Yeah, what's the error? You have to times switch logging element in the index HTML. Yeah, yeah, I have it. It might be. It might be. You might be right. I'll comment it and just check for the. No, but still refreshing everything I'm hitting here, and that's supposed not to happen. So the problem wasn't that. The problem is I'm just going to do it separately. Sign up form, log on button. This one, okay. Then here I can replace all of this with this sign up form. But before that, I can console all of them to see that everything's fine. I need to ask Copilot. Maybe using having so reliable on Copilot, it's the problem here. I see no output from my. You know what? I am going to turn this off and then go live again to see if that helps. No, it didn't help. I still have the same problem. I think it was something to do with this. I'm not using it, so I commend it because once I commend it, here I have this. So if I come here again, but still reloading every time I hit this form. Wow, I don't know why this is reloading. Hmm. You know what I am doing? I'm thinking that when that for of fashic, sorry, knowledge, and I am just going to delete all of this. I don't need you anymore. Like I am going just to create here, and I'm going to give this the form, and this form it's labeled the same exact way, but the ID will be signed in form. Then when I come back to here, I still have the signed in form, signed up. I'll keep signing. I will change here the event to the switch login signing event listener. Then I will unclick. I will prevent the default function event event prevent default. Uh, then I can console this. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I just want to confirm here and switch between classes. Let's see if Copilot helps us on this. Toggle between logging and signing up with C- CSS classes. So if I do this the same, I need to add a class for this. This is pointless now. This is pointless now. And I need to add a class called hidden. And this will be displayed now. You mean like this, right, Fashik? Let me see your comments. One server ask a pilot, what if you comment out a sign in local storage? Sign in with local storage. This one, they are already commented. I deleted. Or what the ones you mean? We can switch. You mean this? Okay, let's see what we have. At the bottom of this file, it's hard black because I can see. Oh, because I can see. You mean here? Hmm. Okay, now I remove this from here and I start with the form class hidden. Yeah, I know that was working the other day. Okay, but no worries. Okay, now this doesn't recognize. Oh my god, it's reloading every time I hit here. But what am I triggering? If I change this to this one, and I uncomment this because yeah, that's what we were doing yesterday, well, Monday, and this worked. Now we can log in. No, it doesn't appear to be working at all. Okay. Uh, okay, okay. No, this is not working anymore. That's what the what we worked the other day. The local storage code that is showing nothing. I know, I know, I know. Lockout button. Let me think. What can we be doing wrong? I can close this. This doesn't affect. Hmm. I don't think we did nothing wrong. So I mean the IDs are fine. This is the login page. This is the login form. The login and the landing page are fine. Console log of this. Console log of the landing page. Hmm. And we just change this. Oh, I think the problem might be here. I don't want to change the login page, but the login form. The login form. And this is the sign in form. To go from here, login page, yes. Login page. The login form. No, this is the landing page. This is the login page. And this is the landing page. Mhm, mhm. Okay, nothing of this affects our document now. Document it's all right. And let's see why this is not working. We already comment this. We are on the login page. We have the landing page with style display none. Uh, we have our two forms. They are logged in, and well, here I can add on page two, signed in, then divide it in a div. But here we will have different classes. These ones make be hidden. And the ID of this will be sign up, sign in section. And the one here will be login section. Well, but that doesn't answer the question of why every time we hit this page reloads. Looks looks like it's refreshing. Let me see the network. Yeah, it's always like refreshing the page every time I hit this login and the login form. Okay, we have a reference error here. Sign in. Macbeth. Macbeth. Reference error. Sign up form. Macbeth. Yeah, amazing. Whoa, we had tons of reference errors. Oh, man. Wow, wow. That was the problem here. But we made it. We have a difference between signed in, the logged in, the logged in. So, perfect. Then we can continue. We sorted it. We need to quickly just give a style to this. Account signed in instead. Also, we need to change the text for the switch to login to full text for the switch button between login and sign in. Okay, let's see if this works. Perfect. One last thing. We added here the input submit a margin button. This not works. This button doesn't belong to anything but to the page. Where did we put this button? Oh yeah, to the login page. So we need to go to the login page. Login page. Last child. Okay, not just the login page. Last child. And with margin throughout. That worked? No, it didn't work. Then we can always just say, huh. Or another thing we can do, it's this to the login page. We can use flags, display flags, flags, direction, column. Okay, that works. Display flags, flags, direction, column. We can erase this. We can add to the form uh, margin bottom of the things we thought. Okay, amazing. Now this works. This looks properly fine. Specifically for the sign in, when the sign in button is pressed, okay, what we have this for? The sign in button works. Console, the sign in button works. The sign in button works. But again, making the event prevent default necessary. So let's see. Also take advantage of this to hide not the sign in but the login. Okay, perfect. We can log in, either we can sign in. If I press sign in, no reloads now. That's what we wanted. But that's not all that we wanted. We want this to sign in Firebase. So we need to store the email. Put but not like this. Let me check if I see the sign in form. What does this contains? This is a form. Okay, Copilot, get the information from the sign in form. Okay, no. Ah, yeah, we don't have time for this. We will just do it your way. And we will replace this with email. Here, 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 and here. And the password, right? So what else? We console log them. To verify we have this right. Okay, Alberto, and a single password. We sign in. We have the email albertocamarena.me and the password as empty string. Why is that? Yeah, why is that? Password it's okay. Again, empty string. Hmm. I misspell it somehow. No. This is interesting. Okay, let me try another thing. Okay, for some reason we are not seeing this password. So empty string. Let me look for the value. Yeah, it's empty. Why? Oh, maybe. Yeah, yeah. They are called with the same EID, right? Yeah, that's my name. That my bad. Sorry. Simply login username. Oh, in password. Oh, plus this is not longer username. This is login email. Sign in email. Sign in password. Oh, I wrote it in the wrong. Sign in password. Okay, should be good to go. Value. Sign in email. Now Alberto Curti. Yeah, Curti. Perfect. So we need to pass this to the Firebase service. How we do that? Well, let's open our console, how notification. We're here. Let's go to the documentation. On basics, we go Firebase web, and they tell us how to add Firebase to our project. We already do that. We all have already have npm install. We initialize our app here. Now we can uncomment this. We can add this, which is our Firebase configuration. I just realized I grabbed GHL instead of Global Hack Week. Okay, uh, don't put too much attention on that. We initialize our app. Perfect. Once our app is initialized, we can access to some of the things we have, blah blah blah, like the get Firestore, the collection, the gods, etc. But in your case, we are going to use it first for authentication. Let's open this authentication tab. What we need to do is to import get out create user with email and password. We copy this import, create user with email and password. We create our out with get out. Uh, I think we should pass. Well, uh, the get out should receive an app, right? If don't, the out instance associated with the private Firebase is not existent initialize an out instance with platform specific default dependencies. Okay, we have our app, so we passed the app. Then we had the out body here, and with the out body, we use the create function that we imported, and here we use the create user with email and password function that we imported. We need to pass the auth, the email, and the passwords we created, right? Then we use that then and catch dot then and dot catch. Const return the user credentials, return this and this, but more specifically, I want to see uh, the the returns. So console.log user credentials, and if not, console.log error error. Let's see. Plus, we can check here on the users if we created or not. So I see I created at alberto at camarena.mlh. Why don't create alberto at camarena.lh? No, that global hack week. Oh, syntax error. In prompt declarations might appear only on the top. Huh. Oh, but this is not for us. Functions. Lockdown. Wow. Okay, let's first see if this works, and then we can worry about this. Mhm. So we're calling this. We have the email, then we have the password, and then we are creating this function here. Um, yeah, the password will be password, and then we sign in. Okay, same problem. This is reloading. So this might be something we might want to worry about. Lockdown install here, yes. Hmm. Lockdown instance. Yeah, yes. Are we using that? Yeah, we are reporting this here. Lockdown instance only should appear on top. What does that mean? Well, we need to hurry to see if we can do some of this. Import operations. This does not tell us too much, right? Mhm. Maybe here. If we comment everything that we done this far, does this disappear? Yeah, let's go line by line. Okay, yeah, that's not defined. I get it because it's here. But now we have this one. Firebase out. If I just increment this, top level. Okay, I think the import it's causing problems, but that's how they, yeah, they do like do the import. Hmm. 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 Okay, I will do something very quick. I'll open my Finder. I'll go to developer. I'll go to test cloud. Global hug with cloud live, and I'll open manually the index HTML. Cancel, and I'll let me inspect console. This is functions. Okay, let me do something else that is what localhost is it? Oh yeah, because I'm not longer running this. Then I need to go live again. Hmm. Let's see if this is something about Mozilla. Import statement outside a model. Oh no, this is about me. Okay. Uh, console, just a console. In app.js, one cloud, of course. So we are going to ask Copilot to resolve this. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay. Type module. And let's see if did that solve the problem. Okay. Yeah. So the 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 message changed. So I'm guessing we're getting problems here. Now the problem is type error. Firebase app was a basic identifier, but nothing was registered. The specificate of models relative should start with this. Yes, this error is happening because models Firebase are using syntax ESX, but we are not prepared for that. No, I don't want to use this. Well, I can try. I mean, let's see. No. Firebase application, it's an object with a. I haven't had these troubles with Fiverr. Never. I haven't tried with Vanilla Web, to be honest, but I always use Next or any related. But the problem here is it's supposed to be for Vanilla or no, because I can see maybe this. Okay, okay. I know it looks weird, but here we come. Okay, I think this should work. Alberto Global Hack Week. No, thank you. And just a simple QWERTY. Say that. Oh, we're getting two warnings. Why? What's that? Okay, refresh this. I don't think it is here because, well, not success from these topped out. But let's see. Let's see. We will see. We will see. Now, the new members. Why did that fail? Okay. No. If you use this, replace all your import lines to follow. Hmm. Okay, let's do this. I don't think we will have time to complete the project we were doing. A lot of things are failing, and I'm not sure why, to be honest. So, the good news for all of us watching is Firebase has dedicated section for quick starting. They have these Firebase repo with the quick start with JavaScript. And here we can find quick starts for the authentication service. So uh, I will pass to you this link on the comments. And here you can check out more in depth uh, the further process of going with Firebase. I think this is my fault for trying to do it vanilla and full Copilot. I mean, Copilot's still good, but it introduced us lots of trouble in the code. Um, and I don't know what's happening with the connection to the Firebase. I mean, I do that, and I haven't had these kind of problems about the import stuff and related. I don't know if they upgraded to a version that currently does not support what I am trying to do. If I've had to downgrade to version 7, 6, I don't know. The thing here is, I think I show you the main attributes about Firebase, the things you can do with them, like the authentication, the Firestore, the deployments that were the things we were supposed to do in this session. I'm really sorry for not having the time to complete it, but still, you can check more about the other apps. The mature learning ones specifically, I think they are really cool because they can integrate as we learn the previous session with TensorFlow, and that's very powerful. Plus, it's free with the Spark plan, which is the one we have with that it's completely free. We were talking about the functions and how we kind of don't agree with the chargement policies. Like, why did they charge you for using functions when they already give you thousands of dollars of credits? But yeah, the messages, the analytics, the all the things you can take advantage of Firebase. Remember, Firebase it's focused for mobile, even iOS, but Android. I will say Android more to be honest, and for web. So I used Firebase a lot with my small projects. I will put the small between comma between quotes. Sorry, because it's really easy to integrate. Not as I showed during this session. It is easier. I, I just simply don't know what happened in these sessions. Sorry. Um, and yeah, another things I tried to teach you during these two sessions was the use of the Copilot chat, the Copilot CLI, and how you can, yeah, how you can implement that in your current workflow, as I just did. That if you're a student, you can always access those kind of tools for free completely thanks to the student developer pack, right? So I'm going to say goodbye because next session is supposed to be started really soon. So I see from Shimori, good session. I think it was good to see that sometimes coding takes a while. Yeah, actually, this live coding it's always hard. It's extreme sport, I would say. But yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me, and I am. Oh, thank you. I already feeling soon. If you realized all session, I haven't sneezed, so I think that's great progress. Um, you're the best. Thank you for being here, and I'll catch you on our next Global Hack Week. No, I'm lying to you. I have another session for this Global Hack Week on Friday about how to use the GCP, the Google Cloud uh, service to integrate with IoT things. So if you like IoT stuff, you like hardware, you like electronic kind of world, and you will like to learn how to implement that with your other passion that is programming, well, that session it's for you. That's a profile that describes me a lot, to be honest. Uh, Thanks, Fashik, and thank you, Shimari, and thank you, Peter Kollar. Thank all for being here. Green Yashix, if you're still there, Tintin, well, all the amazing people that were here on the stream with. That's a goodbye for now. So, see you later. See you on Friday, or see you the next time I see you. Bye bye.